Bonjour. The first of the lines that you will fill out is that of room sales. You will therefore work closely with your sales and marketing manager and your revenue manager. You will have to analyze each segment. I will provide you with the link to the chapter on segmentation. And for each segment, analyze the evolution in occupancy percentage and average daily rate. This is work that is not done at random. You must have a good analysis and a good knowledge of your market. Inform yourself about trends, take into account the particularity of the next year, for example, an international sports competition not recurring in your city, a G7 type political summit, or the concert of a world famous group. You will therefore determine for each segment the ADR and the occupancy percentage for next year. Then, your DRM will have a long job to do what we call the day by day. That is to say, for each segment and for the 365 days of the year, determining the ADR and percentage of occupancy. This is a tedious work, especially since it will probably have to be done several times during the budget period. This first step is decisive for the rest of the budget because it gives you the percentage occupancy for next year, which will be used to partially determine the budget for your food and beverage department and other departments. This is what we will see after the next chapter. The next video will be on the sales and marketing plan.